Hey guys, Jared from EagleLights.com. Today, we're installing our 8900 TL2 taillight on this 2003 Heritage Softail class. The taillight is available in smoked, red, or clear, so you can match whatever style you're going for. This particular taillight comes with a built-in turn signal. We're going to be installing it with our plug-and-play turn signal harnesses. When you order the taillight and the harness together, the harness is pre-installed on the taillight right out of the box. Before you install it, you got to take off your current taillight. To do so, you got two screws. I have one on the right side, one on the left. Remove the taillight, and you're going to unplug the pigtail. So we're going to be installing this taillight. The first step you're going to want to do is unplug the stock turn signals. To do that, you just remove these two pigtails here from the faceplate. Grab the taillight's pigtail, plug it into the same spot where your stock taillight was plugged into. Now we're going to connect the turn signal. If you're looking to just use the turn signals in the taillight and delete your rear turn signals, you're just going to take these two pigtails here and plug them directly into the Harley base plate. If you're planning on using the turn signals in the integrated taillight along with the stock turn signals that are on the bike, you're then going to take these two and plug them into the corresponding pigtail on the harness.
After that, we're just going to tidy up the wiring, we're going to bolt it in, and then we're going to test it. All right, now we're just going to test it, turn on the bike, draw the turn signal, draw the other turn signal, hit the brake.